Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to fix the battery draining too fast on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or S26 Plus or S26 even with the normal use. Here are a few simple fix and tips that will help you out. So let's get started. Now, the first thing which you need to do is to check which app is going to be using the most power. Open up your settings, then scroll down towards battery and look at the battery usage graph. This will show you which app are consuming the most battery. If you see an app at the top that you haven't used much, it may be running in the background and causing the battery drainage. So you need to force stop that particular app and then tap and hold on the app you mostly use and go into the info button and then open storage. Here you should clear its cache to prevent unnecessary battery drain. Now the second one is going to be the display. It's going to be one of the biggest battery consumer on the Galaxy S26 series. First, lower the refresh rate. To do that, open up your settings, then display, and then open the motion smoothness and select standard instead of the adaptive. This will switch from 120Hz to 60Hz, which can save a noticeable amount of battery throughout the day. Next, check your screen resolution, especially on the Ultra model. Open the screen resolution and make sure it's set to Full HD Plus, not the QHD Plus. The difference is barely noticeable, but it reduces the GPU workload. Moving on, from the same settings, go to the top and try switching to dark mode. But I will keep mine in the light mode for the sake of this video. The next thing which you need to do is to turn off the always on display. Open up settings, go to lock screen and AOD, and from here, turn off the always on display option. Wireless connections can also drain the battery. If your 5G signal is weak, the phone may be constantly switching between 5G and LTE, which uses extra power. To fix this, open up your settings, then connections, and open up the mobile networks. And set the mobile network mode to LTE preferred only. You can also limit background activities from the unused app. Open settings, then battery, and then open up the background usage limit. Add apps you rarely use to deep sleeping apps. This prevents them from running in the background unless you open them manually. Now sometimes the battery drain happens because of small software glitch. One common fix is using to restart your device. Just swipe on the top right corner, tap on that power icon and tap on restart button and tap again to restart your device. This will fix any of the software related glitch and reload the code. Now the final thing which you need to do is to update your device. Sometimes there is going to be a software related issue which is causing the battery drainage to be even faster than expected. So Samsung will be providing you an update. Check the update and update your device to the latest version so that it will fix the issue. In order to update your device, you need to open up your settings, scroll down towards software update and check for the latest updates. If there is going to be any update, update your device and hopefully your issues will be fixed. So guys, these are some tips and tricks which you can follow in order to fix any battery drainage on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.